All right, here's a quick tutorial on how to unsolder and solder your speakers. Just make sure this is not a loose connection, but basically, because the clamps can get loose, especially in the cold. So mine's already heated up. You'll need to turn it on, let it heat up on its own. These do get really hot, so don't touch them, obviously. But basically, your solder to these, to loosen them up, you just put on them like that. Once it heats up, it'll loosen up. And then same here. The red wire, heat it up. Once it heats up, it'll release. So I can reuse these wires. How would we do that? I'm going to act like this is a new speaker. So red was positive. If you already have enough solder on them, you can easily just go to the new speaker, use that same solder on that wire. Once you heat it up, it will then connect itself back on there. Much easier when the other one's not trying to get in the way. Basically, it'll reconnect. And then this one has probably enough, but if you didn't, then you could take some solder. You'll have some extra solder wire that you should have that comes with most kits. You'll just heat it up onto the wire. The other thing you could do also is just heat it up onto here. Just leave some on there. And that way, when you get ready to do the wire, you don't have to do both at the same time. You can just hold the wire there, heat these up, and then connect them. And then voila, you have both a connection here and a connection here. You just want to make sure that the solder cools off before you try to pull on it, and same here. But that's all it takes. It doesn't take much heating. Just make sure when you turn this off, put it aside, put it on a wet sponge also, but just basically put it on something that's not going to burn anything. That's why I did this on a metal chair. Made it a little easier, but yeah, all you should need is solder, your two wires, and that's it. And then your other ends should be these two ends going to the Wago connectors. Not that you would ruin it if you did the solder of these on there, but normally these are much easier to use than the Wago connectors.